This is it. This is a very. Alright, I'm gonna just pull it right out.
Holy.
We have to stop.
and just played it one night. I'm like, hey, yo, this shit's kind of gas. He's like, here. Is that guy going the wrong way down the road?
100%, yeah.
Oh. What? What? Bro, what? Oh my god. So I'm glad I have that.
好啊好啊。你试一试，有很多傻逼会过来。我的对。那就是给你19万。
Lâche ta sacoche puis chauffe ton char! La petite bonne femme, elle fouille dans sa sacoche, câlisse.
Our tipsters. Thank you, John, for calling. I appreciate the information, Nick. I mean, I got so many calls. I asked and I received because we did not have the answer initially, but now we know that it's a closure because of this horrible accident. Scott, thank you for calling, and also Tammy, I appreciate.
Oh my god!